got a new toy and I wanted to share it with you. Today I'm going to be experimenting with a embossing rolling pin. This is one of my basic rolling pins that I always use, but I've never used one of these. So I'm going to make cookies, spiced cookies. I have no idea how this is going to work, but let's give it a try. Some of you really like the recipes laid out this way, some don't. So I'm going to just walk through the first three ingredients that you cream in your stand mixer are 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, and a half a cup or 1 stick of softened butter. That gets creamed together. Once it is smooth, you add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and an egg. In a separate bowl, 1 3/4 cups of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and then it's spice time. 2.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ginger, 3/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom. This gets mixed together in its own bowl, so I'm starting there first. I'm gonna sift that together twice. Sifted. 3/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar, 1 stick of softened butter, 1/2 of a cup of white sugar. Into the refrigerator for about an hour. Well, here's the dough for an hour. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna sprinkle my work area with flour. Gosh, I'm afraid. All right, here we go. It's also going to stick. I lined my cookie sheet with parchment paper. two things. One is I think I put them too close together and I rolled them out too thick. I rolled them out to 1/4 of an inch. I should have gone a little bit more and possibly pressed down more on the rolling pin, because a thinner one came out like that, which is what I wanted. They smell amazing. I did this recipe mainly not for the cookies, but the rolling pin, because I wanted to see how it worked. And now I have a much better idea. I will be using it for making pies